All right, Slasher, what are we doing here, man? Oh, take a look at this. We got some rope sausage there, some veggies, right? A lot of peppers.
We're gonna do some spit sausage.
Yeah.
And peppers and onions and
Oh, yeah.
all the good stuff.
Yep.
And
So
make some nice sandwiches later, maybe.
Yeah, and we're going to do this on the Santa Maria,
Yep,
a rotisserie.
Santa Maria, we got it.
All right, to stay clean, you want to use your Citrus Safe. All you have to do is, on a cold grate, give it a good spray down here. Oh, this works really well. Like that, right? A little bit of Citrus Safe. Then you're going to take one of your brushes, right? And Citrus Safe sells a bunch of different types of nylon brushes. Very, very safe to use. And you just give it a nice, in fact, you got a real hard bristle here. You can really work on some of this stuff. Yeah. There we go. Mix it down a little bit. Oh, smells good. All right. Simple enough. Then all you do is take a damp rag and just brush it down. There you go. Stay safe, sterile for sure, and all ready to go. So check out Citrus Safe at a store near you, and you'll get it at Walmart as well. Check it out. Thumbs up.
Onions up.
There we go. This is the hard part. Chopping veggies.
That's it.
Definitely. All right, this is about a 16-inch
Yep.
cast iron pan.
Yep.
Real handy
Can't
when
have
you got a
enough of
lot of
these.
veggies to do, a lot of food. So.
Can't have enough of
All right, cool. Oh, yeah. Now this is in an Italian.
No, this is a
Cool. That is absolutely mandatory.
mandatory.
These are
Absolutely. Put some jalapenos here. Add a little bit of zing.
There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Yep. There you go. A little bit of olive oil.
Right.
There you go. Yeah. Cool. That'll do it. Get that garlic nice and creamy. Beautiful. Oh. There we go. Now choose a decent beer or your favorite beer.
I'll use the whole bottle.
Yeah.
Save that.
Okay. All right. Get these fried up. There we go. I'm telling you what, the neighborhood is gonna lose it when they start smelling those peppers and onions. Ooh. All right, cook them down a bit.
Okay.
So this is the rope part, or the rotisserie part. All right. So we got the shaft, and oh yeah, that's it. Get on one prong. Yep.
I'll hold it, just hold the shaft.
All right, we got the shaft right there. And you wrap the rope around the shaft. Very cool. Now, if you were doing snake, you do the same thing.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. So you get the gist here.
Hold that right up. Balance it on that fork for me. There you go.
There we go. And right into another tong.
That's it. And loosen this up here.
Yeah. Back
Just turn a little bit. Tighten it up a little.
Yeah.
And we'll lock it on.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Now we're going to turn this over.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the opposite.
All right. Very cool. Right on
And we're going to take this.
right on the tongs.
Lay that down there.
Yeah.
I'm going to go over. And I'm going to go under. Try to stay in the...
I think we get the picture here, right?
Yeah.
Now you do this gently so you don't want to snap.
No.
You want to keep it intact here, you see. So
I think we've already got a split.
there you go. Very cool. Yeah, you want to avoid breaking the, look at that, the natural casing in it, right? And this is a natural casing.
Yep.
And
We made these. Yep, this is all homemade.
all right. Very cool. Look at that. So nice. The smell is some of that sausage. Perfect. Oh, come on, beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Peppers are coming along good. Look at that. Now, got a little sauce going on here. It's just like a marinara, right?
Yeah, it's just a regular tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Very simple. Oh man, the smell is outrageous. Yep. Mix it up good. All right, little basting sauce for the sausages, and we just have a little bit of pancake. Well, I don't need to tell you. All right, I don't know where Aunt Jemima's face is, and then some vinegar, and you mix it together. And this is what you do with it. Oh, yeah. There you go. See? Whoa. Are you kidding me? Perfect. Got that grilled garlic here.
Yeah, some of it.
Yeah, let me take a look at that.
Yeah, just gonna smash it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Get it right in there. Stir it up.
Whoa. This looks done. Look at that.
Almost. I'm gonna cut it up and put it on the peppers.
Yes. Baby. All right.
Watch it.
Yep. There we go.
Not bad.
No.
Look at that.
Good.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, and then pull it back. Take it right off. Take the fork right off.
Yeah.
Hold on to the meat.
All right, here we go. Woo!
Good at holding sausage.
Look at that. Somebody say pretzel?
Meat pretzel.
Meat pretzel. Perfect. All right.
Yeah.
Now the rotisserie sausage. It's been turning for what? Maybe an hour and a half, maybe hour and 15.
Something like that. Then these are gonna go in the pot. I'm gonna simmer in there with the sauce. I'm just gonna put these up here right in there. Throw some.
Okay. And with the peppers and the onions, the chilies, the sweets.
It's just enough.
That's good. Look at that.
That's good stuff.
Whoa. All right. Grated Parmesan. It's good.
Back rib whiskey sauce, grilled beef stroganoff, scallop and clam
A
sauce,
little garlic powder.
fried smoked pork chops,
A little basil.
crab claw, grilled fish, coleslaw, pork
Ooh.
holiday ham roast, pork bacon butter roast, bacon stuffed pork roast,
Give it a good mix with your
stuffed meat,
old hickory spoon.
eat all
Yeah, got it?
at the plate, smoked rib sandwich,
Yeah.
black eye panfish,
Hold it up.
grilled tuna in, grilled fish.
Yep.
Alligator, crawfish,
All right.
shrimp sticks, savory, spare ribs,
Yep.
barbecue fried ribs, margarita back
Mm.
ribs, honey mustard spare
Oh
ribs,
yeah.
baby back bacon ribs, eat up
Look at that. Help yourself, gentlemen. Well done.
color.
Standing in line.
Nick.
Barbecue chicken wings, pork knuckle, ham and beans, pulled pork and onion rings, barbecue baked beans, got old hickory nut, gold spine high. I'm a barbecue pit boy for life.
Ooh.
Yeah, I get
Yes.
pretty much the thing itself.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good.
Cheese stuffed hamburger,
Lunch at the pit.
smoked bacon cheeseburger, double bacon bang burger, jalapeno bacon burgers, beer steamed frankfurters, big hand woven bacon bomb explosion, hot grilled apple pie, crawfish jambalaya, jalapeno ribeye, beer and butter chicken thigh, briskets piled high. Eat up it at the pit. Eat on it at the pit. Eat on it at the pit.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong?